Welcome to Tech You So Much YouTube channel. Friends, if you are unable to use your Reddit account or your app is not working or you can't log into your account or facing any other problems, so I have a simple solution for you. I am going to show you something on my phone. As you can see, I am opening a browser. So I will type downdetector.com here, and as you can see, Reddit is on top, and as we scroll down here you can see the graph. It's on peak. Almost 6697 people are facing problem, so you are not alone in this situation. Many people are facing 54% people are facing app problem, some people are facing website problem, and a few of them are facing server connection problem. So you are not alone in this situation. This problem will be solved by Reddit team as soon as possible. So wait for a few moments, maybe 1 hour 2 hour, so your problem will be solved automatically. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.